friends, my name is Jatin. Today here are the materials of a simple pulley well. Today I am going to make it one project of the kids. For that few materials are needed. You can see here. I am going to make it a pulley with the help of bobbin, machinery, sewing machine bobbin. Here I am going to use it scissor. Here it's bobbin, two hat strips with the black color, one red paper, rectangle half A4 size, one long strip, one adulting one paper like a straw, Fevicol, Feviquick, and a base with a circle and a marker. Now I am going to start. First of all, take it a long rectangle paper. We are going to make it bricks of the well. Make it a straight lines. For the well I am going to make it a bricks on this paper. You can use it permanent marker too. Here my lines are finished. Now I'm going to make it brick at the center line. This is a pattern to show a brick for the well, and this is a project that we can make it for our kids for the science. It is just a simple machine. It is counted as a simple machine, a water pulley machine which is put in a well. Even also you can show how it works. So here my wall of the well is ready. Now I'm going to turn it with a gum. Taking a Fevicol, applying on it, I stuck it and made a circle like a. So here a wall of the well is ready. Now I am going to stuck it on a base. This is a base that I made it with paper and a cardboard. Here I am going to place it my well. Here I am going to place it my well with a Feviquick so it can be easily. Kids, please do not use this Feviquick. Parents, please use it. Now here a few dots of Feviquick there for sticking it. Just it will take it few minutes to stick. So here you can see a valve has been stuck on the surface area. Now I'm going to stuck it 2 strips inside by using a glue. First of all, I am going to take it 2 strips and going to cut it in a triangle form for making the roof on an upside. These are the pillars. Here I cut it in a triangle form. Now I am going to stuck inside. At opposite side also I am going to stuck it. Now I am going to stuck it this straw in between. Mark it with equal point. Cut it rest. So this is equal marking. I'm going to stuck it inside. First of all, I'm going to take it a sewing machine bobbin, putting inside at the center point. This will be working as a pulley. Stucking it with the help of Fevikwik. Same thing here. Here you can see our pulley is stuck on it. Now I'm going to make it a roof on it. Even also it is movable. You can see here it's movable. So here you have to put a thread and pull a water inside from the. So this is a simple machine that's named as a pulley, water pulley in the well. Now I'm going to make it a roof. I'm putting this little bit aside. For roof I am going to take it one paper. Again I am going to take it a marker. Here my straight line is done. Now going to turn it into half. going to cut it in a curve form for making the roof. Here I cut it in a curve form. Now going to make it some curves on it. Now I'm going to stuck on this portion, so I will get it this kind of roof. You have to, it is little bit more, so I'm going to cut it 2 strips. I'm going to cut it. Now it is exactly in a same mode. Applying Fevicol in it.